Imagine the crisp Himalayan air, the breathtaking vistas, the sense of achievement. Picture yourself in the midst of this spectacular panorama where nature unfolds its beauty with every passing moment. The mountains, covered in a blanket of sparkling snow, hold a mystical allure that has captivated the hearts of adventurers for centuries. These mountains unleash a symphony of nature's grandeur where earth and sky come together in a harmonious blend. The majestic Himalayas, a towering testament to nature's grandeur, invite those with a thirst for adventure and awe-inspiring beauty. These magnificent peaks, crowned with perpetually snowy summits, provide a thrilling challenge for those daring to climb their heights. The journey to the top is not merely a physical trek, but a voyage into the extraordinary, transcending the mundane and embracing the sublime. To embark on this once-in-a-lifetime journey, one must first mentally prepare to venture beyond the realms of the ordinary and break free from the constraints of everyday life. The starting point is the picturesque city of Kathmandu, a vibrant and multifaceted hub in the heart of Nepal. This unique city is a blend of modernity and ancient traditions, creating a fascinating tapestry of culture that leaves every traveler in awe. Kathmandu is a city that stands out from the rest. Its bustling streets and colourful bazaars are a flurry of sensory experiences filled with captivating sights, sounds and smells. The air is heavy with the fragrance of incense and spices. The noise of the city is a symphony of urban sounds, from the hum of traffic to the chatter of busy markets. This city, steeped in history and culture, serves as the perfect prologue to your Himalayan adventure. The journey continues from Kathmandu with a short but breathtaking flight to Lukla, a small yet significant town nestled in the Himalayas' lap, known as the gateway to Everest. Lukla is the starting point for the trek to Everest Base Camp. Even the flight is an adventure in itself, as the plane descends onto the mountain-framed airstrip in the heart of the mountains. As you touch down, prepare to leave the ordinary behind and step into an adventure of a lifetime. Once in Lukla, take the time to acclimatize to the altitude. Explore the quaint town, immerse yourself in the local culture, and prepare for the strenuous trek that lies ahead. Use this time to gather your strength and resolve, for the path ahead is as challenging as it is beautiful. The trail from Lukla takes you through the Sherpa heartland, where you can witness the rich culture and traditions of the mountain people. The trek leads you through Sherpa villages, where you can get a glimpse of their daily lives and their resilience in the face of harsh mountainous conditions. You also have the opportunity to visit ancient monasteries, which serve as spiritual centers for the Sherpa community. These sacred places echo with chants that have been passed down through generations, filling the air with a sense of tranquility and peace. The journey base camp is not just about physical endurance, it tests mental strength in equal measure. With each step, the air becomes thinner, the temperatures drop, but the spirit remains indomitable. This journey to the legendary mountain camp is a testament to human resilience, pushing the limits of physical and mental endurance to new extremes. As you reach Everest Base Camp, the sight of the world's highest peak is a reward in itself. Mount Everest, standing tall against the clear blue sky, is an awe-inspiring spectacle that will forever be etched in your memory. The moment you find yourself standing at the foot of the mighty Everest is a testament to the human spirit's indomitable will and determination. Reaching Everest Base Camp is no easy feat. It requires determination, preparation, and an unwavering spirit. One needs to be physically fit, adequately equipped, and prepared for rapidly changing weather conditions. The unpredictable weather of the Himalayas can change without warning, making it crucial to be ready for any situation. It is highly recommended to hire a local guide familiar with the trek's terrain and challenges. These guides provide invaluable knowledge and experience, often making the difference between a memorable trek and a dangerous misadventure. Remember, this journey is not about reaching the destination as quickly as possible. Instead, it is about embracing the journey, the challenges, and the landscapes. The journey to the world's highest peak is not just a physical journey, but also a journey of self-discovery, resilience, and extraordinary achievement. It begins with the courage to take the first step and culminates in the triumph of standing at the top of the world. So take that bold step Dream, prepare and conquer the Himalayas. Embrace the journey, overcome the challenges and stand triumphant at the world's highest peak. The top of the world is waiting.